work in the Innovation Lab at the Central Library, and today I will be showing you how to make your own stickers. The machine that we are using for this how-to is one that we have available at multiple different libraries. Once we are able to fully open to the public, anyone can come in and make their own stickers. The materials that we will be using for this how-to are a Silhouette Cameo, the accessories that come with the Silhouette Cameo, a computer, a printer, and some printable sticker paper. The software that we will be using is called Silhouette Studio. To download Silhouette Studio, go to silhouetteamerica.com. On this page, you will click the tab labeled Software, and then the tab labeled Desktop Software. Select the link for the version of the software that is compatible with your device. This software is free to download and to use. Once you have your software downloaded, open it up. Your screen should look something like this when you first open the software. The white square in the middle of the screen is your work area. The first thing that we are going to do is import our image. I'm going to be making a sticker of my cat. If you have your image saved on your desktop, you can just drag it to the work area, or you can select File, and then Open, and then select your image. You want to make sure that your image is in .png or .jpeg file format. Now we will need to make a trace of our image. We want to make a trace of our image so that we can add cut lines. First, open the Trace panel on the right sidebar. Click Select Trace Area. Use your mouse to draw a box around the entire image. Yellow shading will appear on your image. If the image isn't fully shaded, adjust the threshold bar slowly until the entire design is yellow. Then click Trace Outer Edge. A red cut line will appear around your image. If you want to have a border around your image, you can offset your cut line. To do this, first select the red cut line around your image. Then select Offset from the upper toolbar. Now you can delete the original red outline. I prefer to group my image in the cut line so it's easier to move the items around. To do this, select both the image and the cut line, then select Group from the upper toolbar. The sticker paper that I am using is 8.5 by 11 inches, so I want to adjust the page size. To do this, open the Page Setup panel. Change the media size to letter or 8.5 by 11. Make sure that the orientation is portrait. Next, you'll move to the third tab on the Page Setup panel. Check On to turn on registration marks. Registration marks are needed to tell the machine where to cut around your printed items. Once you have your page set up, you can add more images or copy and paste your original image to make multiple stickers at once. You want to make sure that none of your sticker designs are touching any of the hashed areas around the registration marks. We are now going to print our images onto the sticker paper. Make sure that your sticker paper is loaded correctly into your printer. Then you'll select File and then Print. Now we will place our sticker paper onto the cutting mat. Position it so the top and left edge of the printed sticker paper slightly covers the left and top grid line on the mat. Make sure the sticker sheet is firmly stuck to the cutting mat. To load the cutting mat, use two hands to hold the mat on each side. Place it so the left edge of the mat is aligned with the blue line on the cameo. The top edge of the mat should be gently resting near the rollers. On the LED screen, select Load. Back on the software, go to the Send page. From the material list, select Sticker Paper White. The Silhouette Studio software will then automatically adjust the cut settings. Select Send on the bottom of the page to begin the cutting process. The Silhouette Cameo will first start looking for the registration marks. Once it finds all three, it will then begin cutting the stickers. When the machine is done cutting, select Continue on the LED screen and then select Unload. Now you have your own stickers. Thank you for watching.